I don't know if these bugs here that look like little ladybugs are good for the garden or not. They may be what's going around here eating up all of my plants. Everything getting eat up out here. I need to pull up all of these collard green plants. I'm getting ready to collect all of the lettuce seeds here. These coming up from the romaine and the butter crunch lettuce that had bolted and gone to seed. But I have a lot of these little bugs everywhere. I think they are the ones that's eating up the plants. Gotta find out what kind of bug you are. Those bugs that look like ladybugs, they are called Asian Lady Beetles. And they are eating up my plants. Gotta get rid of them. Gotta find something I can spray on them to get rid of these Asian lady beetles, because they're eating up my plants.